Potter friends, I'm Brandy with Simply Potter, and today I'm super excited to share with you that I am packing to head to Universal Studios Orlando for an exciting birthday trip that is extremely last minute. I'm the kind of person that doesn't sit still very long, and I'm the kind of person who makes decisions on like a whim, very last minute, super last minute, so last minute that yesterday I decided that it'd be fun to spend my birthday weekend, which is this weekend. Like, actually really weird, but when you watch this video, my birthday weekend will be over and I will already be back home. Magic. But anyway, I decided to go to Universal Orlando, made the arrangements yesterday, and I'm leaving tonight. So I leave in 6-7 hours to head to the airport, and I'm just now packing. I have here my magical bag that includes everything that I traveled to Universal Studios with. So I thought it'd be fun to shoot a little ditty for y'all today and show you what's in this bag. Hopefully I got everything. I'm not the greatest packer. That kind of goes hand in hand with packing last minute. Shout out to all the last minute packers like me. If you're heading to Universal soon and you want a really definitive list of like everything you should bring, because I've been there like, I don't know, this is like my 10th time and I think I've pretty much got the packing for it down now. So if you want like some advice on things to pack or like items to pack, I will throw a link to Simply Potter's article this week on the website for you to check out. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. And if you're not new to the channel and you're already a Simply Potterhead, welcome back. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and notification bell below if you haven't done that. And if you like Harry Pottery goodness and love Universal Studios like I do, then click the like button down below as well. Let me know in the comment section below what you bring with you each time that you go to Universal Studios. What are your wizarding essentials each time you go back to the Wizarding World of Harry Potter? Mine are in here. I'm going to show you them. And I will throw the links for each of these items in the description below if you're like, damn Brandy, I really need that thing that you just showed me out of this magical bag of yours. So let's get started. The first essential that I have that obviously is going with me, not only to Universal Studios, but pretty much everywhere that I go, because I'm a witch, right? And witches don't go anywhere without their wand. So this is a must for me for Universal Studios, because there I can do magic and I would never for the life of me think to forget about bringing this. This wand in particular is really, really special to me because it was the wand that chose me at Ollivanders the first time that I went to Universal Studios. It's pure magic. My wand definitely goes with me. Another thing that I never leave behind when I go anywhere on any trip is my trip companion, Penny the Pygmy Puff. I got Penny at Universal Studios Hollywood a couple years back when I got tickets to be in the audience of The Big Bang Theory, and I bought her at, I believe it's Zonkos in Universal Studios Hollywood, and I had to name her like immediately, and because I was there for The Big Bang Theory, I thought of Penny. And I'm also bringing along Penny's little keychain offspring that I'm planning to wear on me on at least one particular day. So Penny and Penny's unnamed child are going to Universal Studios with me. If you have a name for Penny's child, I'm really curious to know what it is. I'd like to name her. The next thing that goes with me to Universal Studios is my rain poncho. Right now, it's rainy season in Orlando, so I'm bringing my Ravenclaw poncho with me, which still has the tag on it, and I don't know why, because I've actually worn this out rollerblading before when it was raining, so yeah, fun story. It'll be perfect to show my house pride when I'm running around the parks and it's wet, because that's inevitably going to happen this weekend. And how can you walk around Universal Studios without showing everyone that you're a true and total Harry Potter geek? So I'm bringing both my Harry Potter glasses and my Spectre Specs. The things we lose, a way of coming back to us in the end. You're just as sane as I am. I'm a lot. Coming with me this time instead of my head girl pin, because I recently lost it on a sidewalk and just happened to walk back by like an hour later and find it. Thank God. I'm bringing my head girl necklace to wear with one of the outfits that I'll show you after this. And I like this a lot better because this thing's on a chain and it ain't going anywhere. So what trip to Universal Studios would be complete without wearing and proudly displaying your love for Harry Potter? I've got my Hogwarts boat scene from the first year leggings that I got from Hot Topic a few years back. This outfit, which I'll probably end up wearing on my birthday because I love this outfit. I actually shot last week's video in that outfit, but you couldn't see the bottom down. Really thought that one through. And one of my more recent addition to my collections that's going with me is this Luna Lovegood tank top that I got at LeakyCon from the Colorful Geek that I absolutely love. This little crop top should be perfect in the Florida heat that I'm about to deal with. And my last outfit, because I'm spending 3 days at the park, is this Forget Being a Disney Princess, I Want to Be Hermione shirt, which I actually designed and created myself. Oh my gosh, my underwear fell out. I don't even know why that's a wizarding essential. Well, check out my wizard undies. So those are the main, like, wizarding essentials that I bring to Universal Studios. I'm also bringing my comfy shoes because the Lord knows that you're walking a lot when you go to Universal Studios. I got some comfy snacks. Also, you need an external battery charger because there's lots of photos to take, lots of videos to take, and I always, for some reason, lose cell battery. It seems a lot faster there. So, yeah, external battery charger's a must. So, there y'all have it. You saw my wizarding essentials for Universal Studios. If you like this video, be sure to click the thumbs up down below and subscribe and hit the notification bell if you haven't already. And if you want to see pictures from my trip, I'll be posting them all over Instagram, I'm sure, for at least the next week. At least. So if you are interested in taking a peep, pop on over to my Instagram. The link to that and my other social media are in the description below. And until next week, stay magical, my friends.